How to make a joint playlist on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. From here, you need to select a playlist, then tap on the three dots beside the song. It will take you to this menu. Now, select Add to Playlist. Tap on New Playlist and name it Joint Playlist. After you're finished naming it, tap over here to create. Now, you've got yourself a new playlist. So over here, go ahead and tap on the three dots. Scroll down until you find the option Invite Collaboration. Once you find it, tap on it. And now, you can invite your friends through the link or by sending the link directly to their social media. Once they follow the link, they can listen to the music and equally contribute to this playlist made by you. So this is how you can easily make a joint playlist on Spotify.